now we are done with the preparation of our bikes. We have lubed our chains, we have put our saddlebags, and we'll be leaving from Pondicherry. We stayed in this Mother CVO residency. It was really nice. The AC was fantastic here. So today, or in this ride, we have two extra vloggers with me. One is Macho Biker on his Yosing. Do check out his channel. And we have Rider Rob. You already know him, I believe. So he's on his CBR and he has vlogged on this ride. So from here we'll start going towards Bangalore. We are 380 kilometers away. We'll fuel up first because the cost of petrol here is only 65 bucks or 65 rupees. Let's get started. So as you can see here, we are near the Rock Beach or the main beach of Pondicherry. It was really nice spending the time yesterday here. And like in any major ride which happens with me and my bike, the left mirror is broken. I had kept it in the parking lot yesterday and someone has either dashed into it or did something, I don't know. It's broken and it's okay. We'll be going to the petrol bunk now. I have one mirror at least and I trust all my friends to ride safely, so I don't have to worry about looking into the mirrors all the time. So me and my friends are all fueled up here. We'll be heading back on the main beach road. We'll take a photo near the Gandhi statue and from there we'll be heading to Vellore. We wanted to go to Auroville, but a couple of my friends went there and they came back. It was apparently closed and it's already 12:30, so we don't want to risk being in this heat for longer time. We want to hit the highways. For now we have had couple of cups of coffee and no breakfast yet because we didn't really like the taste here regarding the breakfast, and so we'll be hitting the highway and we'll be going to some dhaba and we'll have food over there. So we are on the main beach road again. It's a little breezy here, so that's a good fact. And since we are wearing mesh jackets and most of us are wearing t-shirts with short sleeves, and so our arms will be cool. So this is where the statue is. We'll stop here for a second and take a good photo. This is one group ride which I'll never forget in my life because it was really tough on each and every one of us in terms of weather, but everyone made sure to be here and ride very nicely. Awesome. So you see the crowd gathering around because it's really rare that you see this kind of things happen in this hot weather. Right? Everyone be on your bikes. Yes, dabbing in front of Gandhi. Awesome. So from here we'll leave now. We'll head to Vellore. There is not one point where I thought I have to care something for someone. In the sense, these are all independent riders. We ride in a group. Zombies, dude. Group of zombies. Come on. I'm in Pondicherry. There is no population here and I still find zombies. So yeah guys, Robert is having the map set up here and he'll be leading us. Okay, yeah, start. So he's having the maps and he'll be leading the entire group for a while. After we touch Vellore, I'll be leading the group because from there I know the route. In Vasant Bhavan, we had a very good lunch. We did not have any breakfast or anything, as I told in the morning. So we have managed to come here. We have just covered 50 kilometers and we are exactly 270 kilometers away from Bangalore. The temperature is exactly 40 degrees here and we are having hot wind blasts. This is a exciting ride. See, that is the reaction I wanted. A couple of my friends, they missed the left turn and they went to Chennai, so I've asked them not to go there and come back and come into this route. This is an internal route here which takes us through, you know, some villages and everything, but the thing is, this place will be covered with trees and it will be a forest route like this where there will be loads of trees because on the highway it's everything is open and it's too hot. 40 degrees feels like 50 degrees or something, and also since there are a lot of trees here, as you can see, the entire pathway, there will be very less wind blast as well for us. to deal with. Right now with me there are 7 riders. 4 of them have gone in another direction. We'll all meet up in Vellore, and from there we'll head to Bangalore. And one more thing is, there is no issue of any cop or anything being here. On the Chennai side, that is one big issue. The cops will catch you if you are wearing riding gears. So that is one more advantage. You can just cruise here on this street. So we are in some town or something now. We are not using Google Maps. We are just talking to people around, like I did in Kanyakumari ride. I spoke to people, found out which direction to go, and we had a fun time riding. So that's what I'll do right now as well. Let me try to speak Tamil and find out. There's only so much I know. Vellore enga pona? Vellore. Straight road, huh? Thank you. This is what I do. So when you come to Tamil Nadu, that's one thing that you have. Just know a couple of words, talk to them, and find out. And coming through this side road has been very good. The roads are awesome. There is very less wind blast, which is obviously conserving our energy. Jai Hanuman. We are pretty safe here because there is very less traffic, and I don't see a couple of my friends in the mirror. To be really honest, in last 200 kilometers, 200 kilometers, we have not ridden in shade like this. Oh my god, thanks to that cloud. So right now I'm riding the RC390 of Rahul Allen. The thing is, these roads are so bad in between for my Mojo or for Duke 390 and all. It is a little soft because our suspension is set on the soft side, but for the RC390 the suspension is on the harder side, and since these roads are bumpy, it was slowing my friend down, and it was giving him pains. So that's why we have swapped our bikes now, so that, you know, since I have the energy, I'll ride the bike now, and he is resting on the Mojo. So that's the plan. And the ride so far has been a little less hectic because the temperature right now is only 37 or 35 degrees. Okay, till now it was 37 degrees, and suddenly there is rain cloud, as you can see here, and the temperature has completely dropped. It has become cold now, around maybe 24 or 23, and it's only cold winds now. I guess it's already raining over there, it feels like it. But see this, man, a massive rain cloud. See that? This ride is one of the best experiences that I've had till date. In the sense, the best and the worst. It teaches you everything. All of a sudden it's starting to rain. It's raining so hard. We have to stop the bikes again. We have to put our raincoat, thermal liner and everything. Damn it. And there is no place to stop. We are still 200 kilometers away from Bangalore. We have put our rain jackets, thermal liners, everything, and we are ready to ride. I guess we deserve this actually, you know, for riding in 40 degrees for nearly 2 days. We deserve this actually. What the fuck? What the fuck? Guys, it was just raining like crazy. It suddenly stopped. It totally dry again. Damn it! I have only Karthik with me on Duke 390. Apart from him, everyone else are split into groups of 4 or 3. Somehow me and all of my friends managed to catch up with each other. We were on the same road with a difference of 40 or 30 kilometers between us, and so somehow with our WhatsApp messages and calls and everything, we made sure to sync up. So now we are closer to Bangalore and we are stuck in this traffic jam. We'll stop for a tea somewhere, and I'll thank all my friends for joining this ride. This is where I will conclude the vlog. We had a good cup of tea and coffee and whatever, water and everything there, and from here we are bidding goodbye. We are all in different places in Bangalore, and since we see traffic, we are taking Nice Road or some other expressway. So thanks to each and every one of them who have come for the ride. I have wished them in person. This was a dream come true, dude, to have such a good biking group and ride with them. Now we'll be heading home. Bye bye.